Welcome to Banqiao Station. I need a few things for the house, so I'm gonna go to IKEA. So why don't you guys come along? Let's go. Alright, so to get to IKEA from where I live, I have to catch the blue line from my station to Banqiao Station. And we're gonna transfer trains here and get on the yellow line, the circular line, and go to Xinzhuang.
Let's go!
So unlike the MRT, we're going to be taking the yellow line, which is an above line subway. It's like an LRT system, I guess, and we want to get off at Xinzhuang Station. Xinzhuang Station. Alright, so we arrived at Xinzhuang Station and we're exiting by exit 1, and there's a U-bike station just up ahead, and we're gonna get a U-bike and bike it over to IKEA. Guess we can just walk it, show you the sights along the way. But it looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna get a U-bike. To use the U-bike system here in Taipei, you have to be registered. So if you have a yo-yo card or a Taipei Pass MRT card, you register it, and you can also use it for these U-bikes. First 30 minutes are free, and after that I believe they charge you $10 for the ride. If you get one of the special electric bikes, it'll charge you, I think, 40 NT for the ride. So those are a bit more expensive. So let's go to IKEA. There is also a Uniqlo on the way, a big Uniqlo. I think it's a warehouse or factory outlet, but it's a pretty big Uniqlo. We wanted to take a little stop along the way. I don't recommend riding and vlogging at the same time, but things I do for my subscribers. You guys are everything to me. Here's the Uniqlo. Whoa. Seat on this bike is moving, like turning. It's not locking into place. It's kind of annoying. Thanks to Porsche dealership. Kind of dicey. Success. So this IKEA is like 4 stories tall, and probably one of the biggest IKEAs I've been to. The ones in North America are just 1 or 2 floors. This is like 4 floors. It's got a restaurant like all the other ones, and yeah, it's got everything you need here. Prices are pretty much similar to the ones in North America, but maybe we'll stop by the restaurant and see what's different on the menu. Alright, so here's the directory. There's 4 floors. Showroom on the 4th floor, playroom, smoothies on the 3rd floor, market hall, and self-serve drinks areas on the 2nd floor. 1st floor, self-serve register, and checkout. So let's go check things out. So IKEA is really kind of smart because there's only one way in and one way out, and you have to go all the way to the top floor before you can see anything. So you have to go all the way to the top and then work your way down through all the floors. So way to go IKEA. So we are in the sofa section. Don't need anything here. What I do need is a picture frame. That table is cute. One of the reasons why I hate coming to IKEA is there's so many people. They all move so slow. Alright, let's speed this up a bit. Here we are at the restaurant. Not really hungry right now, but get a tour around. So today got a special buy one get one free meatballs. Got cinnamon rolls, fries, meatballs, tomahawk steaks, salmon, chicken, and Thai salad, egg tarts. Things I don't see in North American IKEAs. Really well known for their chicken wings here, fish and chips. Maybe I'll get dessert. This is guava cake. Vanilla cream puff, cheese pudding tart, and tiramisu, and cheesecake with blueberries and raspberries. And a gooey chocolate cake. Oh, they also got like a, what is that? Like a dame cake. They want to get one of those. It does have lasagna bolognese. That's new. My drink and my little dame pie, and now we're going to continue on with our tour of the kitchen area of IKEA, 3rd floor. Welcome to the picture section of IKEA. I think I've got everything that I need now. I've got my picture frames for my certificates and my group picture that I need to replace. What else did I get? Got some hangers that I need. Did you know IKEA sells wine? I didn't know that. Apparently I'm gonna try a bottle of their Chardonnay. Pretty cheap, so looking for a good little cheap buzz, see what happens. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this tour of IKEA. I've got 2 more floors to go. It's pretty much the same as North America. I'm not gonna really bore you with the details, but puts you on through time lapse and you can see it all for yourself. So until the next one, please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. One other thing before I sign off. You know, shopping in IKEA really makes me miss certain things back home, or just things in general. Like right now I live in a studio apartment. I really miss having a separate bedroom. I really miss having drawers, for a proper amount of drawers to fit everything in, a proper size closet. Maybe we should look for a new place to live. Just thinking out loud. But yeah, I'm in the as-is section now of IKEA. As-is things. Wow, this is pretty ratchet.
It's just too hard to move when you're standing right there. It's just too hard to walk